Ngiyangibongisile ngwakasibanzi from eThunzini eShiselweni. Ngikhulele enhlangano nje most of iminyaka yami ngi-attende eqinisweni primary school and then I went to Nyamani High School. I then went to Luyenge campus lapho bengenda BSc in Animal Science. Ngicomplete nga 2020.
Nice. So how did you start your business and what's your business?
Okay. So ngidothini ngithi fortunately or unfortunately during my last year I had to repeat a course. So I really had a lot of time. I was so bored. Gani bengiceda kushada. So ezingihledi I just had this thing ukuthi actually my husband's birthday be approacha ngaba nekuthi what can I do for him, and then I thought ukuthi no ngingambhakela likhekhe ngingalithengi. I felt like I think loko angakuthanda lokubona ukuthi okay libhakwe nguye. So ngaqala ke ngabuka ukuthi likhekhe libhakwa kanjani. I was using YouTube. Ngaqala kancane kancane. Okay, in my mind bengide ukuthi I'm doing it for ukuthi later kodwa by business. Actually baking was not part of me nje. It was something lebengayibuki kangako. But then as I bake, ngiposta on my WhatsApp, people will be like, "How nguwe lo bhake loku? Maye vele kuhle uyadayisa yini malini?" Yabo. So ngase ngivuleke emehlo ukuthi actually yati ukuthi ngingabhaka. And then for start ngaba like I won't charge you guys, but you can buy ingredients. Ngabeka imali ukuthi it will be this much for ingredients only. I saw people responding and I was like, okay, this can work actually. Yaqala kanjalo ke i-Cakes by Atto November 2020.
Alright, so like the responsive abantu ngiyolea wenda
ngaba motivated ukuthi yeah.
Oh, so what was the challenges? Ezingisaqala.
Like
info leya wenda ube like nah, I'm not quitting actually, I'm continuing with this thing.
Okay, lokwangenda ukuthi ngithi ngulama returns lebengiwabona in as much as lama challenges bewakhona, njengekuthi when you are a beginner ungabhaka likhekhe lingarise livele lisinke sema reject lawo. But in spite of all that, sometimes ema challenges ekmelta bewaba khona because now saqala vele most of the things awutati ukuthi for ukuthi likhekhe lakho libe more stable and all that utakubona as you learn, as you do. But ke noma kwakukhona lokho still besiyenda profit. So imali ke yakumotivate ukuthi you keep on going on.
Okay, so how did you learn to balance like you said you are married, like then to balance out the marriage and the business, because everything you learned on the way. Yes.
Honestly, kubheka hectic, I don't want to lie. Ungabuta every husband wemuntu longibheka utakutshela. Well, we try to balance, but there are days vele lapho khona ungeke ulale. Lokho kusho ukuthi wena you are not like awukho eceleni kwapartner wakho during those days. Use kitchen yena use kamereni. So but ke some days we are manage ngokuthi ukale ukuthi okay nami this is my 8 to 5. Ngalo 8 to 5 ngizama kusheshisa lengakusheshisa. But kulamanye amalanga vele akwendeki. nalandlini bagcine sebajwayela ukuthi oh okay namhla siya cross night. Mangabe kungekho busy then you will make up for all those days.
So that's how you balance that.
Yeah.
So what do you think has been the key to your success nje as usaqhubeka with your baking journey? What was that thing that like has kept me grounded in this business?
Okay. It's my passion for creativity. You know, nalikusendela customer likheke ukuthi ngifuna nako. Ezikuqala liviki uba nekuthi like uba nalesithombe ekugcineni ukuthi okay lo muntu nasalitholile leli khekhe utojabula. The smiles from our customer ngiyola. So yeah, Gopa utheni passion, what drives me?
Yeah, like the thing that has been key to your success.
And the vision yekuthi you want to see yourself expanda ka baking. Uyafuna ukuthi bona hiring more young people. Yeah, nguloko nje lengathi the bigger picture.
To expand, like maybe open shop, like
A bakery, or expand ukuthi you are partnering with other event planners, niya partnerisha, something like that.
So if you went baking, what else would you be doing besides baking?
What else? Maybe working. I don't know where, honestly. But again, anything that has to do with e-business singing. So nje, even kunguthi ngidayisa timbahla, I think ngabe ngibhizi kakhulu ngalapho.
So what advice would you give to young people who are struggling to say there are no jobs in the country? Like, what advice would you give them?
Anything is possible, honestly. As I was saying, Guti, I was bored, I was unemployed, ngacabanga this business. Mangabala the things le business lena lengindele gona ngeke ngicethe. So umumbulo omusha lokhona lova ngathi imisebenzi kude. I just want to say it's possible. You can start lolo kuqalako. Show up for yourself every day, because bamvula basha they turn kuthi nabaqalimbo abone ngathi people aba respond bese uyayekela. So consistency is key. Whatever lokuqalako noma ngabe uyadayisa, show up every day. Kuvuma noma kungavumi. That's how people batokujwayela. Just like le business lena. Kuqala vele ubone ngathi abanginaki, but as you continue iyakhula le brand. Bekune point whereby bengingasa advertise, iti advertiser yona le business as ngiproducer equality, bambu bayatshelana ukuthi oh atho uyabhaka, and then you keep getting calls. So it's possible.
What's your greatest achievement yet since you started the business to say this one has been my greatest achievement out of this business?
Oh wow.
Something that you are really proud of to say, with this business I was able to do that.
Okay, I was able to buy a car within a year of starting my business. Yes. Well, it was a second hand, but I was so proud of myself. Okay, I really did it. Ngekubhaka nje. Actually, I never thought ukuthi kungaba possible, but yeah.
This one.
Yo, it's a
because the aim is to inspire, so like then now they know what if I get up and do something, I'd be able to achieve certain things.
It's a lot. Give ngathi okay nje kuningi look personal. Nana ifridge nje ngayithenga iyasita ebhizinisini beyidulile kube bengingasebenzi ngabe angiyitfolanga naleti tofu lengibhaka ngato imali yebhizinisi.
Like, do you remember your first customer and what was the feedback from that first customer that you served?
Oh, I do. Okay, the customer was happy, honestly, because nangqala ngamtshela ukuthi please don't be too hard on me. I'm still a beginner. So naye i-feedback yakhe wajabula shem. The cake was nice. Yeah. The feedback was great for a start.
What are other businesses that you do besides baking?
Okay. I do Shein, bambita nga Shein. Ngiyacupha timbahla ngidayise. I-service fee ine-VAT ekhathe ngo-35%. Also ngirentisa artificial bouquets. Yeah. La runner from so I rentisa from 150 kuya etulu depending on the size yale bouquet.
Where do you see your business in the next 5-10 years?
Ngitibona ngivule i-bakery. Ngitibona ngicashe bambula labaningi. Yeah, ngibona nje nami ngicontribute ku economy yelive.
Okay, so when it's all said and done, what do you want to be remembered for, you personally?
Me personally. For being a genuine person. Yeah, for loving people. For serving other people. I do have a page on Instagram and Facebook. It's Cakes by Ato. Ato ATO. And you can find me on WhatsApp. It's 76375789. Shout out to Havila House. Thank you for having me. Please follow them guys on Facebook and subscribe on their YouTube channel. Thank you.